Semi-sentient robots. Did you know that a large number of semi-sentient robots have been released into our society? They are in our cities and neighborhoods. They can learn from real-world circumstances as they navigate our streets, expanding their deep neural network every day. Have you guessed what I am talking about? Yes, Tesla's self-driving cars. They are able to see and react to their surroundings in real time thanks to their network of cameras. According to Elon Musk, the artificial intelligence or AI now found in Tesla vehicles will likely be the most sophisticated and capable of navigating the actual world. Future Teslas will be so reliable that we won't even need a steering wheel. There is more to these cars than meets the eye. And Teslas have a lot of them, and they are always analyzing our actions. This is Luxurious and Chic, and make sure to watch until the end to find out all about Elon Musk's AI world domination. Hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. The Robo-Taxi. One of Elon's next cars will undoubtedly be without a steering wheel or pedals. He claims that the cost of using this robo-taxi will be comparable to that of a bus or subway fare. The robo-taxi is expected to be unveiled in 2023. You can only start to picture what cars would look like in 10 years if this is already in the works. The interior of the cars can be focused on entertainment and comfort rather than having any driver's seats at all. AI-powered humanoid robot. Elon Musk's ambition to create an AI-powered humanoid robot is maybe even more frightening than the robo-taxi. The Tesla bot is designed to be a labor assistant that can be utilized both at home and in the office. It is currently under development and will make use of the same AI as Tesla's self-driving cars. That implies that Elon's AI will not only be operating vehicles on public roads, but also be gaining knowledge through encounters at home and at work. It will spread widely. Is AI terrifying? Elon Musk, though, appears to be a big fan of AI. You might be shocked to learn that he truly finds it terrifying. He even stated that it is one of the biggest risks to humanity. Humans are limited. Our brain's processing and memory capacity are constrained. On the other side, AI is advancing at a rate that humans are unable to match. Our brains develop over many generations. Every year, artificial intelligence makes great strides, but we will inevitably lag far behind. Could we ever develop a method to overcome the brain's physical restrictions? Elon Musk maintains that there is no other option. So he continued to develop the Neuralink, a brain implant. Neurons will be surgically connected to this device. The brain will gain a new layer, one of artificial intelligence. This year, we will see the commencement of Neuralink's human trials, and if all goes well, people will start integrating with AI thanks to the implant. Some people may find obtaining a brain implant to be much more horrifying than the possibility of an AI taking over the globe. We couldn't engage with the world around us without the usage of our brains. But it's not for everyone to connect them to artificial intelligence via a brain chip. AI advantages and disadvantages. For instance, AI offers both advantages and disadvantages. Artificial intelligence may be a very useful tool for humanity if we can minimize the risks and maximize the advantages. Elon believes that we must urgently combine AI via Neuralink. He also thinks that Tesla bot will be necessary. It's obvious why he made the humanoid robot. It will be created as a widespread replacement for human labor. By now, you're definitely aware that machines and artificial intelligence may eventually replace humans in different jobs. Even Tesla's robo-taxi's potential to eliminate the need for Uber drivers was highlighted. It is somewhat unsettling to consider that AI could swiftly replace us in our professions. Many people are concerned that they won't be able to continue buy basic needs like food or shelter if they lose their jobs. Most tasks will likely be performed better by robots and AI than by humans. They are not only less expensive to hire, but they also don't need to sleep, they don't take vacations, and they don't stir up trouble at work. Human error wouldn't be a possibility, and HR departments wouldn't be necessary. Numerous vacations are already being replaced by robots, like this one that manages a coffee shop on its own, or these factory-working Boston Dynamics robots. Did you know that there is an artificial intelligence that can write creatively? Almost everything you require can be written by the AI Jasper, from blog posts to video scripts. Simply tell it what to write about and then sit back and watch the AI work its magic. Jasper could write most of it for you. Jasper is capable of writing unique stories, real estate listings, blog posts, and product descriptions, among many other things. This kind of technology might really make our lives easier rather than tougher. What if we had work-completing robots that would allow us to lead the lives we actually desire to imagine? How much more time would we need to spend with our families and engaging in the activities we really enjoy? In the end, we may have more free time because of robots and AI. You might be left wondering how we would pay our bills if robots handled everything. Elon Musk asserts that the only option will be to create a universal basic income, or UBI.
And I think ultimately we will have to have some kind of universal basic income. I don't think we're going to have a choice.
Elon continues to develop the very robots geared to replace us at work, even though he claims he doesn't want a universal basic income. The Tesla bot's sole function is to take the place of workers. But Elon makes it plain that he is making an effort to improve conditions for humanity as a whole. He claims that the Tesla bot would be developed to go through a world made by people for humans. It is intended to be a nice robot that is simple to physically defeat, so even if it attempts to hurt us, it will be unable to do so. Additionally, he claims that it will move slowly enough for a possible escape. Elon is aware of the potential dangers of AI because this is, after all, an AI. The Tesla bot will initially replace our risky, monotonous, and repetitive jobs. Elon claims that we will even be able to instruct the bot to perform domestic activities for us, including aiding with car repairs or food shopping. Elon has indicated that a functioning prototype should exist by the end of 2022 and that he hopes to begin production in 2023. Elon Musk's AI will significantly alter our way of life if he gets his way. In the area of AI, innovation is plentiful. In the future, robots will be able to do anything from clean your toilets to cook your dinner to walk your dog. A universal basic income, a ban on employment, and a robot butler does sound wonderful. Even while these things appear to be wonderful, there is still cause for concern. Some worry that a UBI would make us more dependent on the government, which could lead to abuse. Another issue is the possibility of hacking into goods like Neuralink and the Tesla bot, which would create a significant vulnerability. These are contentious issues. Do you look forward to automation? If you were not required to work, what would you do with your time? Are you concerned about the effects of a UBI? Or perhaps ecstatic at the thought of getting money for nothing? Tell us in the comments. Check out our channel for more videos about Elon Musk if you like this one. And if you want to know about the most expensive things in the world, look inside the lives of the wealthiest people on the planet, or how to achieve success in your life, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay updated on our latest videos. Don't forget to hit the like button.